Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Maryann Okonkwo. If this is your first time stopping by my channel, thank you so much for doing that. Just complete that action by subscribing to this channel and turning on the notification bell so you don't miss out on any fun content that I have for my channel. As I said earlier, my name is Maryann. I make videos on beauty, lifestyle, and occasionally vlogs. If that's something you're interested in, then consider subscribing to this channel. I'm going to be teaching you guys how to achieve a very soft glam makeup. So without any further ado, let's go right into the video. So as usual, I'm going to go ahead and do my brows off camera because I feel that at this time everybody should know how to draw their brows. But if you don't know how to draw your brows, don't worry, I got you. I have 2 videos already on how to achieve flawless eyebrows. So if that's something you're interested in, or if you're still not able to draw your brows in 2020, I got you. Just click the card up here and that will take you straight to the video or straight to the videos as the case may be, and you can watch both videos and learn. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comment section and I will address them. So just because this is a makeup tutorial, usually you're supposed to show or mention the name of the product that you're using. If I do not do that, please bear with me. But however, all details for the makeup or makeup products that I would use in this video will be in the description box, so consider checking that out if you are wondering what products I'm using at a given time. My brows are done and we're ready to delve into the makeup application itself. So to start off, I'm still thinking, should I do my eyes first before my face? I think I'll definitely go ahead and do my eyes first. So just to make sure that eyeshadow application is as precise as possible, I'm going to be using tape just to line my wing. So once the tapes are on, I'm going to go ahead and prime my eyelid, and to do that I'll be using the P. Louise base. I really love this base because it's just so easy to work with. It doesn't crease that much and it just gives you like a perfect base to work with. To achieve a soft glam look, I'll be using this palette by 4Color and I'll be using the brown shade there. So just to darken it even more, I'm going to be digging into the ever-changing palette, and I'll be using this dark brown shade here. It's called Mist. So the shade. Just to make sure that everything is blended nice and smooth, I'm going to be using the shade called Fall from the ever-changing palette, this shade right here, just to blend the outer crease. That is done here. I'm going to go ahead and just apply some more base on my crease. It doesn't have to be defined, but just something that your eyeshadow can sit on. So taking that P. Louise base again, and I'm just going to tap, and this time I'm going to make sure to come outwards like this. So like this. Because we want it to be bold but on point at the same time. I'm going to use this shade called Warm, and this is from the ever-changing palette. I'll use this shade here called Warm. It's a nude, light nude color. think it would be great for this look. Once that is done, I'm just going to blend everything together using the crease color that I used earlier on. I'm going to go ahead and use this dark brown lipstick by Kylie. This is what I always use to line my lips whenever I'm doing like a, doing like a neutral, a brown lip. Okay, so just gonna take some lipstick. I'm taking the arc upwards because remember that we want it faded. And yeah, we're done with the eyes. I'm gonna go ahead and replicate what I did here onto this other eye, and then I'll be back to continue with the rest of my face. So guys, I'm done with my eyes, and as you can see, I fixed my lashes. One thing I did do was also to use the shimmery color from the Sunrise palette and just dabbed it on my eye socket, so this area, right? Another thing that I also did was to smoke out my under eye, just to give it that smoky soft glam at the same time, because I felt it was too simple. But yeah, with that done, let's go straight into the face. So to start off, I'm going to be using the Mismetic Moisture Potion. We're just going to wait for it to really sit in and absorb into the skin before we go ahead with our foundation. But while that is going on, I'm just going to introduce you to the foundation I'm going to be using. I'll be using the Maybelline Super Stay Foundation, and this is in the shade 340 Cappuccino. Next, I'm going to contour, and I'll be using the Black Opal foundation stick in the shade Carrot. That is happening and cooking, I'm gonna go ahead and apply my blush, and I usually use the lipstick as a blush, and this is the lipstick, very affordable lipstick, and it does a really good job as well. I think I got this for 300 naira in Lagos market. So I'm just gonna add that on top of my contour. And I really like this color because it's so pretty, like it just gives you like a perfect flushed look. So, and the name of this brand is Ever Beauty Matte Lipstick, and this is in the shade 205. Once that is done, just gonna go ahead and start blending. Can you see how pretty it looks? There was a time in my makeup journey that I usually would run away from blush, but now I just can't imagine any makeup done without applying blush. Like, come on, what are you thinking? What? Okay, so it's a lot easier, like, because I just feel like blush, especially when you're using the right amount of blush, it gives you a natural flush. Can you see how this is looking? Yes, that's because we used blush and we contoured. Just gonna add a little bit of that on my forehead just to bring back a little bit color. That's why I said this particular shade is very pretty. I probably don't run out of it, so I still have this much. It's really pretty. It does a fantastic job, and it's easy to blend. I haven't used this in a while, but I'm just gonna try my luck again with it. So it's a liquid highlighter. The reason why I stopped using it was because I find that it's very oily. So once you put it on your face will just look like an oily mess. I'm going to be using a small blending brush to blend my contour, the contour on my nose. Okay, I'm just going to blend this out as well. Now, perfect. My face is on fire. So next I'm going to go ahead and highlight, and to highlight I'll be using my newfound love, which is the Nuban Beauty concealer, in my skin concealer, and this is in the shade 043. This concealer is really good. I've used it twice now, and one thing I would want to advise is you should work in sections because it dries really quick. But it doesn't crease at all. I like the consistency. It's not too thick, it's not too liquidy as well, so it's just perfect for an easy blend. And this particular shade is actually highlight. It gives you such a perfect, like really really nice highlight, at least for me. Okay, so we've done one side. Can you see the difference? I think this should be like my thumbnail. We apply my nose contour. Another thing I want to try today is this counter contouring. Let's see if my nose will become smaller today. I really love this concealer. I wish I got more. I'm just going to go ahead and set my next I'm going to contour, and to contour I'll be using the Egg and Esther compact powder. All over too much. So once that is done, I'm just going to go ahead and apply some more blush. And that's basically it. I'm just going to go ahead and spray my face. While that is sealing in and really like getting rid of the powdery feel, I would be what's it called? I'm gonna be applying some mascara. I'm gonna go ahead and line my lips with the same lipstick that I used to line my So this is the lipstick. If you want, you can absolutely wear it matte like this, but I'm a gloss girl, so I always add gloss to everything. Just gonna go ahead and apply some gloss. And this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give this video a huge thumbs up and share with your friends. If possible, leave a comment down below so I'll know that you enjoyed this video out, and I would make more videos like this. I hope you found this video helpful, just to give you ideas of what makeup you can do if you're going for a simple soft glam makeup. I hope this video is of help to you. Until my next video, guys, stay blessed. Make sure to hit the subscribe button if you haven't already done that yet, and subscribe to this channel. Turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on any notifications that will be coming from my channel to you. Until my next video again, stay blessed, guys. Love you.